Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Hollstrom here at the Florida Center for Back and Neck Pain in Largo, Florida. Frequently, patients will ask, when my neck is adjusted or my joints are adjusted, what is that popping sound? And the answer to that question is a physical term called cavitation. Our joints are kind of like balloons, and it's where two bones come together, and this balloon covers both of them, and inside this balloon there's liquid called synovial fluid, and in that liquid is air or gas dissolved within the liquid, kind of like a carbonated beverage. Manipulation, when it's performed, is a restoration of joint function, but as that joint is worked with, the joint frequently will increase its space, or it will gap a bit. That increases joint volume, which causes that air or gas that's dissolved within the liquid to come out of solution, kind of like taking the top off a soda bottle. That makes the sound. Has nothing to do with the problem, has nothing to do with the therapy, but the gas does make the sound. I'm Dr. Greg Hollstrom here at the Florida Center for Back and Neck Pain here in Largo, Florida.